Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you, my cat just sneezed, how I got the makeup look that I was wearing in the intro. My room has changed a bit since I last filmed. I have lights now on the wall and they look very pretty. I still don't have curtains though, which is not surprising. I'm gonna go ahead and prime and moisturize my face. The moisturizer that I'm going to be using is this one from Saturday Skin, Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I'm going to be trying a new foundation today that I've never used before, so I'm going to go with a primer that I know that I like. This is the TooFaced Hangover Primer. I'm also going to go in with the NYX Pore Filler Primer. If you notice me looking this way a bunch, my viewfinder's right there, and I got contacts now, so I can actually see myself in the viewfinder without having to do like this, which if you look back at my old videos, I used to do a lot of. I'm going to be trying out the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This is what the box looks like. I just got this in the mail today. I love the packaging. It's glass with a pump. I got it in the shade Driftwood. Don't know if this is my right shade, but it looked like the closest one on the internet. So I'm gonna be using this sponge. This is the Juno & Co. I think is what the brand was. It's like the microfiber sponge. It was like a big thing like a few months ago, I think. I really like it. It works really good.
No, you take everything as an insult.
Like a half a pump. My mom and my sister's arguing in the hallway, so I'm gonna have to wait until they're done. If you can hear me talking in the background, that's what that is. Here's my foundation. It's a bit dark. I think I put too much on. So that was like almost a full pump, kind of like 3/4 of a pump. It covered a lot of my face. I feel like if I had spread it out a little bit before blending it in, it would have covered more. So I'm going in with just a lot less this time to do for the rest of my cheeks and my forehead. Okay, in the viewfinder, this color looks really off. But in my other mirror that has more natural lighting, it looks really good. If I was getting ready to go somewhere, I would take it down my neck. But I don't want to waste it. And I'm not going anywhere today. So I'm not going to do that. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer in 110 Nude Ivory. I'm doing some on my forehead, on my chin, and under my eyes. For powder, I'm going to be using this new one from Hard Candy. It's from their Marilyn Monroe collection. It's a translucent loose powder plus rosehip oil. When I was at Walmart about a month or so ago, I saw these new products and I love the packaging. It's so pretty. So I had to pick some of them up. I got the powder, I got the rose water like toner setting spray, and I got the lip stain. They have 2 shades of the lip stain. I don't remember what they're called, but I got the red one and I absolutely love it. I don't know, it's amazing. It smells amazing. It's one of my all-time favorite lip products. This powder smells really good. It smells I don't know exactly what it smells like. It doesn't really smell like roses, but it's kind of heavily perfumed. So if you don't like that, then steer clear. I'm gonna take my sponge, dip it in the powder, and set under my eyes. I'm gonna take some right here. I always set my smile lines and around my mouth really good because that always starts to break up first. Okay, I'm gonna let that bake for just a small amount of time while I'm doing my eyeshadow. I'll be using 2 palettes. This is the Morphe 25L Live in Color palette. The second palette I'm going to be using is the TooFaced Chocolate Gold Palette. I'm taking a fluffy brush, dipping it into the shade Pride from the Morphe palette. I want to take a smaller brush, taking the shade Culture. So I decided to just use my finger and press instead of the brush because I wasn't quite working. and press this shade onto the outer corner of my eye mainly, and then blend it towards the inner corners. I'm taking that small pencil brush again, and I'm going to go on my lower lash line with the shade Pride. This is my cat. Her name is Mouse, or that's just cat 1 out of 3. And she is obsessed with makeup brushes. So now I'm taking a flat shader brush, and I'm going in with the shade from the Chocolate Gold Palette. I'm using the shade Chocolate Gold. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going in with the AOA Studio Powlighter in the shade Moonbeam. That's all I'm gonna do with my eyes for now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face. I'm taking some more of that powder from Hard Candy and setting the rest of my face and using it to like sweep away where I was baking. For bronzer, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm using the Ciate Marbled Light Blush in the shade Dusk. And for highlighter, I'm going with Champagne Pop from Becca. It was a pressed one, but I dropped it a bunch of times, so now it's a loose highlighter. This is my favorite highlighting brush of all time. It's one from AOA Studios. It's the F19 brush. For setting, completely forgot that thought in the middle of it. For setting spray, I'm also using the TooFaced Hangover primer and setting spray. A little thing about this powder too, this Hard Candy one that I used, is I don't know if you can see it on camera. When you put setting spray on over this powder, I've tried it with 3 different kinds of setting spray, I think so far, possibly just 2. I really panicked the first time because it sort of like it looks like it's pulling the powder into like little patches of powder, and it's like a bunch of white spots all over your face. It kind of really freaked me out the first time it happened, but then it went away as soon as it dried. So I went ahead and threw on some lashes, and I did my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I basically did not much to them. I filled them in a little bit with a little pencil and just put on some tinted brow gel. For my lashes, I used the Ritzy lashes by Kiss. These used to be one of my absolute favorite pairs of lashes. Just haven't worn them in a long time, and they're amazing. So for my lips, I decided to go with the e.l.f. lip liner in the shade Hot Pink, and I filled them in with that, and then I went over that with just like a clear lip gloss. And this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a like if you did by clicking that thumbs up button, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I've done a lot of makeup tutorials. I haven't done anything in a while though, but I'm going to try to start posting more often now. If you can hear a sound, like some scuffling around, it's my cats playing on the ground because they're cats, that's what cats do. And turn on post notifications so you get notified by every time I upload a video by clicking the bell right beside the subscribe button. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I have to, RC, no, hey, no. There's literally cat fur just flying everywhere in front of the camera. That's fun. Mouse, you can't eat my makeup brush. Ow! Did you bite me? Stop eating my makeup brush, you weirdo.